Welcome to Math with Sowmya. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this video, we teach easy way to remember the trigonometric angles. In this question, we have given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. We have to evaluate this, that is 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta divided by 1 plus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. One way is you have the cot theta. Using these values, you can find sin and cos. Otherwise, simple way, this is in the form a plus b, a minus b. So, this is 1 square, a square minus b square. You people know a plus b into a minus b formula will give you a square minus b square. This is 1 square minus sin square theta. This is 1 square minus cos square theta. This is done when we know the formulas. We know the formula which says sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, what is cos square theta alone? Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta, and sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So, here cos square theta means sin square theta is taken on the right hand side. So, 1 minus sin square theta, we are getting cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta. Now, we can say cos theta by sin theta whole square. Cos theta by sin theta whole square. What is cos theta by sin theta? Which is cot theta. So, we can get here, this is cot square theta. Cot theta we have 7 by 8 whole square. So, this is 49 by 64. Directly you can put. Suppose if you don't know the formula, you can draw the angle here, triangle. Cot is nothing but base by perpendicular. Base is 7, 8. Using the Pythagoras, you can find the value here. Now you can apply sin and cos. Otherwise, this will be the simple way of doing. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this sum, triangle ABC, right angled at B, if tan A is 1 by root 3 is given. So, B, right angled at B, tan A is given. So, I am putting A here and C here. So, what is given? Tan A, which is 1 by root 3 is given. What is tan A? Tan A we know which is perpendicular by base. That means what we get here, perpendicular is BC, base is AB, which is 1 by root 3. So, perpendicular, this is 1 and root 3 we got. Now, we can say in triangle ABC by Pythagoras theorem, if I go, I will be getting what is AC square. AC square is AB square plus BC square, which is root 3 square plus 1 square. Root 3 square is 3 plus 1. So, AC is square root of 4, which is 2. So, this is 2 for me. Now, as we have been asked here, cos C and sin C, I made another triangle where B will remain same. A and C you interchange. Hypotenuse does not change. AB is root 3 which come here and BC is 1 which comes here. Now what we have to find? Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. Sin A for which this angle sin A is perpendicular by hypotenuse, which is BC by AC. Cos C, so coming to here, base by hypotenuse, BC by AC plus, this is cos A, again here, base by hypotenuse, AB by AC, sin C, perpendicular, so here this is AB by AC. Now you just substitute the values here. What is BC? In this particular case, 1 divided by 2. This is 1 by 2, again BC by AC itself, plus AB by AC. Wherever you take AB does not change. This is root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. This will give me 4. This is root 3 into root 3 is 3. 2 into 2, 4. Now this is 1 plus 3 by 4. 4 by 4. So your final answer is 1.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
In this particular sum, in triangle OPQ, right angled at P, and this is also asked Q is the angle which is asked. So P is my right angle. Q is the angle which we are going to find. So I keep my angle here. So what is given? OP is 7 centimeter given, and also it is given OQ minus PQ is equal to 1 centimeter is given to me. So what is OQ? OQ can be called 1 plus PQ. From this particular given equation, I just make it as 1. Now we can take in triangle OPQ by Pythagoras theorem. OQ square is equal to OP square plus PQ square. OQ we are having here from 1. So in place of OQ I can put 1 plus PQ whole square. OP we know the value, and this is PQ square as it is. Call it as from 1. Now A plus B whole square formula can be applied here. So this is A square plus B square plus 2AB, 7 square 49 plus PQ square. PQ square, when you bring it on the left hand side, it will become minus and it get cancelled. So what we are going to get? 1 if I shift over here, we have left out with this much. So 2 times PQ can be said 49 minus 1. So 2 times PQ is 48. PQ is 48 by 2. So we got PQ is equal to 24 centimeter. Once we have the value of PQ, we can easily get the value of OQ. So PQ we got the value. PQ is 24 centimeter, and from 1 we know that OQ is 1 plus PQ. So OQ is equal to 1 plus 24. OQ will be equal to 25. So this one we got 24 and this is 25. Everything is finalized. Now we have to just determine the value by substituting the relevant values. That's it. So what we have to determine? Sin Q. We have to know what is the value of sin Q and cos Q. Sin Q, I have taken the angle Q here, which is perpendicular by base. That is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular by OQ, OP by OQ. This will give me 7 by 25. Similarly, cos Q, base by hypotenuse, PQ by OQ, which is 24 by 25. This is an example sum in the NCERT.
If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon.
Thanks for watching. For latest updates, don't forget to subscribe.